Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the essentials and taking the first concrete steps. You turn on device location and grant the app background permissions so updates persist. Next, open your Maps or messaging app and choose Share Live Location rather than a static pin. This lets position update. Once done, set how long to share and whether to show precise or approximate position. Make sure to pick the right contact or group now, because that determines who will receive continuous updates. You proceed by selecting how to deliver the live feed, internal app share, or a link you can paste elsewhere. If available, adjust precision and update frequency so battery and privacy balance. Lower frequency preserves battery. Then set duration explicitly. Temporary sharing prevents accidental long-term exposure. Once configured, preview the map to confirm the correct position and recipient. Make sure to choose the intended contact or group, and then hit send, or you finish by stopping sharing when it's no longer needed and verifying the recipient received live updates. To confirm, ask them to report their view or check the app's active shares list. If the map shows a stale position, check GPS signal, background location permission, battery saver mode, and cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. If problems persist, restart the app or device, regrant permissions, or generate a new shareable link using a different app. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.